Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to make Instagram reel. Alright, go to your Instagram app on your phone. Then if you want to make a reel, you can click on this plus button and there will be several options for you. You can choose post, story, reel or live. And since we want to make a reel, we can click on reel option right here. And you can upload the video that you want to make it as a reel, and you can also take new video by clicking on the camera option. And I'm just going to upload the video that has been available on my device, and I'm going to upload this. Wait for a moment. Alright, I'm going to upload this video. Just click on the video that you want to upload, and we can edit the video. We can put music, we can put tags or sticker. It's up to you. And after you edit your video, you can click on next to upload the reel. Alright, and wait for a moment. It's still processing. And you can write a caption for your reel by clicking on this option. You can write the caption as you like, and you can also tag people, add location, and also you can share it to Facebook. And after that, you can click on share to share the reel. Alright guys, that's how we can make a reel on Instagram. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.